Hey you guys, this is Wyatt with Triad Dirtworks, back with you with another project. Sorry about the lack of posting of videos. We've had COVID run through our family, and unfortunately I had it and my wife had it, so we've been kind of down and out with that. And glad to be back at work, glad to be doing well, got our health, and that's the main thing. But we also got a lot of work to do, and I want to show you this project right here. Pretty big project. Got a lot of demo to do, and I'm gonna walk you around and show you what we got. So starting right here, we've got these gosh, I think they're ligustrium. I think they're ligustriums, or no, they're chindos. These chindos come out right here on the left side of this big old holly, and it stays. We've got these two whacked off crepe myrtles. They're coming out. All of this laripe comes out right here along this bed edge and up there by the steps. These chindos come out. Those boxwoods up there, they stay. That little hedgerow of boxwoods, they stay. That little holly comes out, that tree right there. I think these are Japanese hollies. These little bushes, they come out. That's a ligustrium that comes out right there at the foundation, and that one's kind of nasty. You can see right here is very close to that that foundation, so that's definitely coming out. We got some cool stuff that we're gonna demo out here. Not every day with demo and decks and stuff. There's a deck under this big magnolia tree right here that comes out. That comes out. That concrete pad over there stays. Nice little seating area. This concrete pad down here, it goes. We're gonna have to repair this fence where it's leaning, and all these stump grinding chips, they're gonna have to be hauled off and dug out. And pretty much everything down in this corner right here goes. A couple suckers right here, little small trees, and these chindos go. There's about 7 of them. There's 3 akubas down there that comes out, and we've got a old abandoned power pole that we're going to take out as well. So kind of a different job, but we're fortunate to have it and do it. There's some plants coming out, but also some hardscapes coming out, and the big old wooden deck. So we're going to get started here and try to keep you guys along all the way. Alrighty, got those crepe myrtles down, got the limbs off of it. I'm gonna leave them high, them stumps high, that way when we bring the excavator back tomorrow, we'll have something to push against and leverage against. And I'm gonna drag all this stuff kind of up the hill and put it in the corner next to that gate. And I wanted to tell you guys, I forgot to mention in the first of the video, that we didn't bring our equipment today. We're in my pickup truck and a couple hand tools, some chainsaws and stuff like that. We just wanted to come in today. Didn't really know how wet it was going to be, considering it's about 30 miles from the house, and usually this area gets a lot of rain. So kind of treading light today, see what we need, see what we need to bring, see what we need to gear up for, and kind of stage up anything that we remove by hand, kind of stage it up in a pile. Then we'll take the Ditch Witch 800, the grapples, and come in here and get everything up. I do want to mention that this yard's been sowed right here. I think the tree people did it, the people that come and cut the trees, and we're going to try to stay out of that as much as possible. And we're going to bring some plywood in and plywood a road just to this bed edge right here at this deck, and then we're going to stay in the deck, or stay in the bed edge all the way around the yard and kind of work our way out. So that's the game plan right now. Just want to keep you guys informed, keep you in the loop. And those crepe myrtles came down nice. Didn't hit the fence. That's always a plus. I know it's probably a little overkill with the notches and stuff, but I'm kind of new at cutting trees and stuff, so I figured I'd get some practice in cutting some notches, try to make it go where I want it to go. But at the end of the day, you can manhandle them stems over. It's not a big deal, but just trying to get some practice. Alright folks, so everything that had to be cut with a chainsaw as far as bushes and trees and stuff has been cut, and that stuff's been staged up in piles. That way when I come back tomorrow with the ditch witch, it'll be easy to get. And main thing today, like I said, was to fix this fence and get this thing set up with concrete. So we got all of our materials here, got some more screws and stuff. I want you to check out this contraption we got right here. 14-foot ratchet strap, and this post was already in the ground. It'll end up probably coming out, but right now, before we take it out, we're going to use it to our advantage. And that fence was bowed over. The post was broke off probably 6 inches in the ground underneath the dirt, and it just caused this fence to lean over. And when we initially looked at this job, this wasn't really included in what we were going to do, but the homeowner had somebody come out here and price it, and it was just astronomical. And so we told him that we would fix it for him. We don't build fences and stuff every day, but at the end of the day, it's concrete, dirt, and we're Triad dirt work, so if it gets put in dirt, we can probably do it. So that's what we're at. We're gonna get this fence straightened back up. Hey guys, I just want to let you look at this right here and kind of talk over and explain what Dad's doing here with that chainsaw on the post. Little history fact for you guys. Back when I was probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 years old, Dad was an amateur wood carver with his chainsaw. He would make little teddy bears and stuff out of little logs and stuff. That was kind of his little hobby, carving with the chainsaw. And I remember quite a few little pieces that he made. Unfortunately, we don't have them no more, but maybe I can talk him into using his expertise and his art to a video one day, and see if we'll break out a chainsaw and do a little bit of carving. So in other words, he's pretty handy with that chainsaw. making the notches and the cuts and kind of shaving it with the saw and making it better fit. So I had complete utmost trust in his ability to do this the first time, and it turned out great. So I just wanted to kind of throw that little piece of information in for you. Alright folks, so we got the concrete in the hole right here on this fence post, and got two, I think they're 6-inch screws or 5-inch screws going in. It's definitely going to hold. Got 150 pounds of concrete in the hole. I'm going to let that set up, then we'll come back tomorrow or the next day and backfill it in and kind of work it in conjunction with what else we got doing in this natural area or in this bed. But a ratchet strap trick work. I'm not going to take it off. I'm going to leave it right as it is, as a hold. Keep this thing in place while it sets up. So it was a success. We don't need skill saws because we have chainsaws. Yep, every bit of cutting was made with that Echo little chainsaw. So it turned out really good. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow after it sets up. We'll go from there. That's going to wrap up day one on this project. Got everything staged up, and tomorrow we'll bring the Kubota U17 excavator over here and the Ditch Witch SK800, and we'll start making a really big indent on this project. But it was a beautiful day today. Welcome to North Carolina, where it's freezing cold on Sunday and raining, and today it got up to a whopping 65 degrees, and we're in short sleeves right now, but not for too long. But we'll be back tomorrow, guys. Just wanted to keep you guys posted in the loop.